Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today I've got an amazing makeup tutorial for you on creating a stunning glittery cut crease eye look with pink eyeshadow. That's absolutely gorgeous and adorable, just like Barbie's eye makeup. This makeup is super easy, just learn it in 5 minutes. So let's get started. Dip your brush into a dark pink and brown eyeshadow. Trust me, the combination of these two colors is very beautiful. You can choose the eyeshadows from your favorite eyeshadow palette. It's preferable to use a crease brush to make the process easier and apply the eyeshadow gradually on the crease area, blending it well. I also started from the inner corner of my eyelid and continued the eyeshadow application until the crease. Then I extended it towards the outer corner of my eyelid. Additionally, I gradually added more eyeshadow to intensify the color. Next, I used a concealer and a brush for the cut crease technique. As you may know, this technique can be challenging for beginners, so to achieve it, we consider the eyeshadow we applied. Instead of fully covering the eyeshadow with the concealer, we apply the concealer slightly below the eyeshadow and continue it until the middle of the eyelid. If your concealer takes a while to dry, it's better to apply a small amount of it on a flat brush and perform this step. Since I have puffy eyes, I usually prefer not to cover the concealer above my crease. With practice and repetition, you can master this makeup style and understand which makeup style suits to your eyes, so don't be afraid and give it a try. Next, I use the setting powder to ensure that my concealer is completely dry and matte. Using a small brush, I apply the setting powder all over the concealer to prevent it from smudging the eyeshadow. Take a fluffy brush and dip it back into the pink and brown eyeshadow. Apply to the outer corner of your eyelid and blend it well with the brush to ensure there are no harsh lines. This makeup look is truly beautiful and easy, perfect for parties and special occasions. And also, the pink eyeshadow complements any outfit. If you notice that the outer corner of your eyelid appears patchy, don't worry, we will clean up the lines using a clean brush and concealer. Extend the eyeshadow towards the center and gently blend it with the sweeping motion. The next step, as I mentioned, is to clean up the outer corner of the eye. First, I draw a straight line and then I blend the remaining concealer using a beauty blender. Apply a beautiful glitter eyeshadow with a blue base combined with white glitter. Use a flat brush to carefully press the glitter onto the cut crease area. You have the option to choose different colors of glitter such as white, pink or purple based on your preference. Enjoy the stunning and captivating effect of the fine glitters, shine bright and show off your glittery eyeshadow look. I use this type of eyeliner. I draw a wing from the outer corner of my eye and extend it towards the center. I love glitter makeup looks. This glitter is stunning with different colors that change in different lighting conditions. It appears to be a beautiful combination of white and blue glitter. It is truly gorgeous. Don't forget to apply the eyeshadow to the lower lash line as well. I precisely replicate the same eyeshadows I use on my eyelid. First, I apply a pink eyeshadow with a small brush, then add a brown eyeshadow. After that, I use my favorite glitter and you can see how this glitter changes its color to purple when combined with these two eyeshadows. It looks truly beautiful. I use Rhinestones for extra shine and sparkle and it looks really beautiful. I want to place them above my eyeliner. First, I apply adhesive and then I use tweezers to stick them. It's really cute. So let's finish our eye makeup with mascara and false lashes. First, we use mascara and then we apply false lashes. The result of this makeup is truly amazing. Thank you for watching this video. This makeup is like Barbie eye makeup with pink vibes and glitter, making it even cuter. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below or share it with your friends. If you are interested in makeup and beauty content, I upload easy tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel to not miss out on future videos. I love you all and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show